natural, but would be no good after the 5 minutes, right? Oh my God. All right, this is a shot to you, bro. This stuff is hot, dude. Ah. Hey, Big George from George's Hot Sauce and Barbecue. I am doing an unboxing of a special product and hot sauce challenge coming from Bobby the Mustache out of New Jersey. Cutting them up. All right, so the rules, pretty much it says film yourself, make sure you shoot in a proper landscape, eat 1 teaspoon of sauce every minute for 5 minutes. Number 3, survive 3 minutes after consumption without aid. Don't drink nothing. And number 4, if you can make it, send me the video. So, no problem, I can do that. Yeah, right. Sauce challenge, boom, big mushroom cloud, right? All right. Thank you for accepting this challenge. Please follow the rules on the back of the card and embrace the mustache. If several people complete this challenge, this winner will then be decided by 80 extra servings of sauce beyond 5 or most well-composed chili head. Warning, by choosing to consume this hot sauce, you do so at your own risk and will not be held responsible for injury or damages. This sauce contains large amounts of super hot pepper powder, peppers, and pepper extract. Okay. All right, y'all. Look at the cap on this. He's got an original cap on this bad boy, wax. That means it was handmade. He's got something special that he wants us to work into, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut into it. Here we go. Ooh, almost fell. All right. He's got this cap on this bad boy, so we're going to work this off. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, it smells like glory. It smells like freaking, oh my God, it's hot as heck. Oh. That is like some real deal hot sauce. All right. It said exactly 1 teaspoon, so I got this disposable spoon I'm going to use here. Don't know if I'm going to keep it long, but here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm literally smelling this and sweating right now, so I'm terrified. But here we go. Got a teaspoon, got that. Here we go. Let's get it in there. Let's be safe about this. There we go. Oh my gosh. This thing is huge and chunky. Look at that, it's huge and chunky. Oh man. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, that's hot. That's really hot. Oh, they got my heart rate flying. Oh my God. Okay. All right. First of all, while I'm burning the hell up with this hot sauce, I gotta say, it doesn't taste that bad. Matter of fact, it can be a consumable hot sauce to share with people. However, your tolerance has to be a killer tolerance. Right now, I'm salivating like crazy. My mouth is burning up real bad. And it's talking about where we at? Holy crap. I gotta take another one if I want to get involved in this. I'm doing it now. Oh God, another teaspoon. Here we go. I'm 3 minutes in, and I'm still holding the same second stick of hot sauce. That's how hot this stuff is, man. Golly. It melted a little bit, got a little loose all of a sudden. So here we go. It says it's gonna numb up a little bit. I'll go ahead again. Here we go. Oh, that's a slow burn. Oh, man. Oh, my God. 5 spoons? Who in the hell thought about doing 5 spoons of this stuff? 2. It's killing me right now, bro. I love super hot. But I kind of know my threshold if I'm going to try to kill myself. Bobby, you got to send me a check, baby. But, oh my God. This is extremely hot, man. I'm not going to lie. I'm sweating like a pig. I want to do the third one, but my freaking hands are just trembling. I got 10 seconds. No, 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. My gosh. Okay. Now, I'm just going to hang out for 3 minutes on this. Okay. I'm going to chill for the 3 minutes here. Try to get something out. Okay. Check this out. Shout out to the pod people. Drop Nugs. SoCal Chili Head. Catch Jason Colt. And the most about Chilipino for being a beast doing his challenge. That's insane. And I don't, my threshold, maybe it ain't what it used to be. But I can hang in there. I feel like I want to puke. I literally feel like I want to puke. The super hot extracts, the peppers is getting me loaded. I'm pretty much about to go crazy. Well, shout out to you. Hey, the hot sauce for real. Ground Zero hot sauce. If it was for sale, people would buy it. Because it's terribly hot. My gosh. I just had to take my shirt off. It got hot. It got too hot. I was starting getting nauseous now. Like, I really wanted to puke. I want to spit all over the place. I'm trying to maintain off this stuff. But this stuff is hot, dude. And I'm more worried about from the comments and stuff that everybody's experienced before and what's going to happen after. I'll let you know. So shout out to Bobby on the hot sauce. Kick butt hot sauce, dude. Terribly hot. do the third one, but it'd be no good after the 5 minutes, right? Oh my God. All right, this is a shot to you, bro. This stuff is hot, dude. Ah.